We tried the new YouTube promotions tab and here's how it went. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So in your YouTube channel dashboard, you might have noticed this new tab here. This is the promotions tab and it's in beta. So from my guess, YouTube has released this new tab because they want to make it easier to promote your own YouTube videos. Previously, what you had to do is you had to go onto a Google Ads account, which was seriously really confusing. You could totally get lost in there. You needed to spend a lot of time to figure out how to actually run an ad. And I think for the most part, most people didn't want to go in there because it was so confusing and crazy. So my guess is they created this new promotions tab to simplify that so that the general public could go into their YouTube channel, pay some money, and promote their YouTube videos very simple and easily. So we ended up running 3 promotions, and actually 2 of those promotions were on the same video because the first time I ran it, it did so well that I ran the exact same ad again. And just a quick side note, you should only run YouTube ads to a video that is either selling a product or service, or you're gonna make affiliate commissions, or you're gonna get something else out of it, because you are putting ad dollars towards this. You are paying money for this. So you don't wanna just do it on a whatever video. I purposely did this on videos where it was selling both an affiliate product, meaning we were promoting another digital software, and at the same time we were selling a service where people would be interested in our course creation service. You only want to promote videos that are going to be worth it for you. So here's what happened when we ran the ad the first time. It was on this video right here. It was a video about LearnWorlds, which is a course creation software. So it has an affiliate program. We are an affiliate of this program. And we actually charge a service to people. If they hire us, we will help them create a course on LearnWorlds. So this video right there is a great video to do it on because it's an overview video. It's talking about the software as a whole, and then the viewer at the end of it can make an informed decision whether this is going to be a good product and service for them. And at the same time, it's selling our services because Arit is showing how knowledgeable she is on that software. So we spent $100 Canadian using the YouTube promotions tab. The YouTube promotions tab was very easy to use, very simplified compared to the Google Ads approach, and the ad ran for about 2 weeks. And the cool thing was, this video was already released on our channel, so we didn't need to create a new piece of content, a new piece of video for this specific promotion. All I needed to do was go in the promotions tab and choose this video that had already been released, nothing to change. So here were the results. So it got 49,541 impressions. Basically what an impression is it shows up on the screen for the viewer. They may see it or they may not see it, but it is on their screen. So that's what an impression is. It got 407 views, meaning 407 people clicked on the video and it got 407 views. And then it got 64 subscribers. Now you might be looking at that and you might be seeing $100 Canadian, 407 views, and 64 subscribers. Not a crazy amount of numbers, right? Those aren't actually the numbers that I'm paying attention to. In affiliate sales, this generated 4 affiliate sales at those different price points. So right there, we've already made our money back, because if you add all that up and you convert it into Canadian, it's over $100. So we're already in the plus. And this is my favorite here, is because we were offering a service at the end. We're saying at the end of the video, if you are interested in us helping you out, book a Zoom call, right? That's what my business partner Arit says at the end of the video. It generated 3 Zoom calls where people were interested in talking about course creation. And out of those 3 Zoom calls, one of those people turned into a customer/client, and it generated a 4-figure sale for a course creation service. So to us, this promotion did amazing because we spent $100, we got some views, some subscribers, 4 affiliate sales, 3 booked calls, and 1 closed sale for 4 figures. So because that promotion did so well, we ran the exact same ad again. I didn't change anything. I just went another $100 and it went for another 2 weeks. And basically the same results happened. We got 2 more clients out of this. And at the end of the day, what we're after is a new customer/client and affiliate sale. And as a bonus, those subscribers are a bonus, right? We got 64 potential leads, customers. Because they are subscribed, they are going to see our stuff in the future, so they can potentially turn into a customer. So in trying out the YouTube promotions tab, I actually really liked it. We're going to continue using it, but be very strategic with what videos we use it on. So have you guys seen the YouTube promotions tab? Have you tried it out? Let me know down in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.